This transaction here proves to you that I've been able to withdraw my crypto directly to my local bank account. If you guys don't know, I have Bitcoin and Ethereum with Luno, and I've been able to withdraw it to my local bank account. Are you looking for how you can actually withdraw your crypto directly to your local bank account? Be it you're using Binance, be it you're using USDT, be it you're using Luno or any particular crypto website you're using at all, but you're finding a whole lot of issue to withdraw that crypto directly to your local bank account. This video is for you. You guys know that ever since Nigerian banks stop the transaction of crypto directly to your local bank account, it becomes a whole lot of issues for crypto users, for airdroppers, and every other people that are in the business of crypto to be able to get their money directly to their local bank account. So I did a research since I was looking for ways to withdraw my own crypto that has been hung for so long to my local bank account, and finally, boom, I got the app. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just go. Let me review this app for you guys. So the app I'm going to be talking about is Monica.ng. Monica.ng is an app that is created for you to be able to withdraw your crypto directly to your local bank accounts. In this particular video, I am going to withdraw my crypto. I am also going to do what? Recharge everything rechargeable. I am also going to withdraw directly to my local bank account. So I'll put in my screen record here, or here, whichever one. Just enjoy this video. For you to be able to use Monica.ng, is either you're going to your App Store or your Play Store, or you check the link in the description for easy way out, okay? Because I've dropped the link already for you guys. Now you're going to head to your App Store exactly the way it's displaying here, and you're typing Monica.ng. This is how the app look like. This exact one you're seeing, which is the first one with green, okay? So after you get this, you're just going to go ahead to install this. You guys know that it is very important to install, okay? So after installing this, you're going to go ahead and click open, and then this is the interface of Monica that is going to pop out for you, and it's going to show you what? Fast and reliable transaction, stress-free user experience, online payments made easy. And then since you're going to click on new to Monica/sign up, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to do this, and it's going to ask for your phone to give them permission. So you go ahead to click on allow. After that, you're going to choose your country, which is my country, Nigeria, that I just chose, and it's going to show you where you're going to put your username, full name, email address, okay, during the process of your registration. So I will do this behind the scene and then get back to you guys. After that, you're just going to go out to click on what? Continue, and it's going to send a code to your mail where you can input your code, okay? So after putting the code that has been sent to my mail, I verify, and it has taken me to the interface whereby you're going to be creating your password. So this is me just creating my password. So you will make sure that the password is strong enough, and I'm going to be creating this password, the same password on the two end. Okay, so after that, I'll click on continue, and it's going to bring out this avatar face for you to be able to pick any of this avatar face that you really want. So I have to go ahead and pick one. Then it's going to show you to create a transaction pin, where you're going to get a transaction pin that you'll be using to withdraw your money or any transaction you're doing with Monica. So I'll go ahead and create it, and now it's showing you to log in. So you will log in with your email properly and your password. After that, you're going to click on what? Login. Once you are logged into Monica.com, this is exactly the interface it's going to bring out to you, which is showing you the deposit, the transfer, and if you check this other end, this is the home tab, and if you click on the other side, it is going to show you exactly everything that you can actually do, which is airtime top up, mobile data, TV cable, electricity, betting, gift cards, and more. Like I just love this app, okay? Just make things very, very easy for you. And you can get their virtual card with just $2, okay? So you can see it here, and if you want to purchase a virtual card, it is not difficult at all. And of which we'll go into all of these things in this video, okay? So these are also the leadership, referral program, and everything you need to see. And I'll just go ahead to complete the KYC. So which is start verification, where you're going to put in your BVN and your identity card. So after completing it, this is how my interface look like. So I will go ahead and copy my wallet so that I can withdraw from my Luno. So I'm just going to withdraw my Bitcoin. So this is me copying the wallet. You can see that wallet is copied successful. After that, I'm going to head straight to my Luno app, because it's Luno that I have Bitcoin and Ethereum with. And you can see the amount I have on Luno, okay? This has been stuck for years. And I'm going to click on what? Bitcoin, so that I can withdraw. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on what? Send. If I click, it's going to show me add address, okay? And of which I'm going to go ahead to paste this address here. So make sure you you copy before you come to your cryptos, and then I'll click on next. Once I click on next, this is exactly what is going to show me how much Bitcoin. So I want to withdraw everything because this place, it has been here since. So I click on maximum. Once I click on maximum, to put a note is optional, but I love putting a note. Okay, so I'm just going to write from Sonia, as you guys are seeing here. So after putting from Sonia, I'm just going to go ahead to click on next. After clicking on net, it is going to go like this on my Luno, and then it is going to send me a message to be able to verify this from my what? From my bank. You can see the transfer sending this. So if I click on confirm, it's going to show me, it's going to send me an SMS to be able to do what? Click on the link to confirm this transfer, which is the exact number that you use in registering your Luno and every other stuff, okay? So after that, I'm just going to enter back my 4-digit number PIN. And going back to my message, you can see here, check your message, follow the link, and send in your text message of this phone number to authorize. So I'm just going to go, you can see the message just pop in here. And once I go there, I'm going to click on the link. And once I click on this link, I'm just going to what? Accept this, which is yes, send crypto. You can see after clicking on yes, send crypto, you're going to be waiting for about 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. And then you are going to come back to check if your crypto transaction is still pending or not pending. So this is me here to check, and it's still showing that it is still pending. So of which you're going to give it a little bit of time, less than 30 minutes to be honest. I can't lie, less than 30 minutes, okay? And then you're going to come back again and check if the crypto has been sent. So right now, this is me coming back to check, and I noticed that the crypto has been sent. It's only my Ethereum that is remaining there. So I said, okay, let me move to Monica.ng and check if my crypto has been sent successfully. So I have to view the transaction as well to be sure, which is everything that you guys are seeing, and the address as well. And you guys are seeing that the from Sonia is here, okay? So I'll just minimize and go to my Monica.ng to be sure that this thing don't enter, okay? So I'll just go ahead and type on Monica.ng, click on it, and you guys see that I've gotten my 27,198. You guys know that crypto will definitely, Luno will definitely charge their own rate out of the money that is there, and they sent me this particular dollar. And you guys, this is the transaction and how everything look like, and I'm so grateful for this app, to be honest, because this money has been hung. This crypto has been hung for so long, okay? So after that, you are going to move to the next version, of which we're going to be buying a lot of things here, okay? So for you to be able to purchase airtime, you click on this other end, and you're going to be clicking on what? Mobile data. So let's buy mobile data. I'm going to go ahead and choose MTN because I want to buy with MTN, okay? And after that, I'm going to be choosing what? The plan that I need, okay? And I'm going to be entering my phone number, which is the 3 things that is very, very requested. This thing is very, very simple as ABCD. So after putting all the information that I need, the next I'm going to be doing is to do what? Is to click on what? Continue. And once I click on continue, you guys are going to see that everything is successful. And I'm going to be putting a screenshot of the transaction so that you guys will also see that yes, I got the data and I got everything that I was supposed to get using Monica.ng. So this is me putting my transaction pin, because that's why the transaction pin is very, very important. You must create a transaction pin so that anything you're doing, we put in your transaction pin. You can see data purchased successfully, okay? Data purchased successfully, and you guys see it here, and this is the data purchase. You guys can see how it even popped up on my off screen there. So, and this is it, and I'm going to go ahead to buy airtime, to do airtime top up, so that you guys can also see. So I'm going to click on airtime, and I'm also going to buy with MTN. And the good part is, anytime you're doing any of this transaction, if you know that this is what you continuously be doing, you need to save your what? The beneficiary. For someone like me, I will be using Monica in all my transactions. So I will be saving my beneficiary. That's why I always say that I click on save beneficiary. And once I click on the amount I want to buy, I'll just go ahead and click on confirm. Then I'll go ahead and put my what? My transaction pin as well, which is very, very important. This pin is your safe guide to everything, okay? So after putting it, you're going to wait for it to load, and it's going to show you that it's successful. You can see it is pop up here, and I also drop a screenshot for you guys so that you guys can see that yes, Monica.ng is doing the job, okay? So after that, you can see that airtime top up successful. Now I'm going to go ahead to buy electricity so that you guys can also see, okay? So I'll just go ahead and choose the particular electricity I want to buy, so which is the PHED that we usually use in this country. And after that, I'm going to be choosing what's prepared, and I'm going to be entering the what? The ID number of the prepaid meter, okay, which is a series number, and this is me just entering it, and I'm just going to what? Add the amounts that I actually want to get from here, which I want to purchase. So I'm going to click on add number to beneficiary because I don't want anytime I'm coming here to be stressing about this. So I'll go ahead and click on purchase. You can see you're about to purchase 1,000 naira, and I'm going to just go ahead to click on what? Confirm. Once I click on confirm, it will still pop up the transactional what? Pin for you to be able to do what? Put in your pin. And after putting in my pin, I am going to wait if this is going to be successful or this is not going to be successful. But trust me, this is going to be successful because I've used this, okay? And this is it, electricity recharge successful. So you guys, after electricity recharge successful, you guys can see the amount that is left in my balance. So right now, the last thing I'm going to be doing so that you guys will be sure that you can withdraw to your local bank account is I want to withdraw directly to my local bank account. This is me showing you guys the token and everything concerning the electricity so that someone will not come and be like, she did not show also. So you guys, this is it. So I'm going to go ahead to do what? To do bank transfer. And to do bank transfer, you have to go back to what? Your home page. If you go back to your home page, you're going to click on transfer. If you click on transfer, it is going to show you to do what? Transfer amount. How much do you want to transfer? So for me, I'm going to be transferring 10,000 naira, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead to click on purchase. It's going to pop up this where you're going to be putting your what? Bank account. So I click on bank account, and this is me letting it load. And you're going to be choosing your bank. So for myself, I choose GTB because I'm going to transfer to my GTB account. So after choosing GTB account, I'm just going to go ahead to do what? Enter my account number. So this is me entering my account number, and I'm definitely going to save beneficiary because you guys know anything we are trading, at least we should be collecting small now. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on what? Proceed. You can see you're about to transfer 10,000 naira, Sonia Onoja, GT Bank, and the rest of that. I click on confirm. Then I'm going to be putting in my transaction code as well. Then I'll wait if it's going to come. And right now you guys are seeing transfer successful. So for the transfer, you are going to give it for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for you to be able to receive the alert, and of which I will put in it here as well. Then you're going to be seeing that this is my remaining balance. So right now, I am just showing you guys all the transactions that I've been able to make using Monica.ng. And if you're still sleeping on Monica.ng, you've not even considered how to withdraw your crypto, or you have a lost long crypto that you don't even know how to get it out of that place, this is an opportunity for you. If you want to get their visual card, you can also go ahead to get their visual card. If you want to also refer people, you can go to the referral side and copy your link for you to be able to refer people. For anyone you refer, you're going to be earning 100 naira. So if you are not using Monica as till this point of you watching this video, or you've not heard of Monica at all, what are you still waiting for? I hope this video is able to help you to be able to withdraw your crypto directly to your local bank account, and not only withdrawing it, doing other activities that you need. Monica.ng is a must-have app for all the cryptos, airdrop users, and some of these businessmen that deals on transfers. Okay, so anyways, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you have heard of Monica.ng before, let me know in the comment section. Have you been using it? I want to also know in the comment section. If this is the first time you're actually hearing of Monica.ng, also let me know in the comment section because I would love to know your thoughts. And if you're going to be using my referral link to open and then withdraw your crypto successful to your local bank account, also let me know in the comment section. So with no further ado, if you've not subscribed, do it, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.